Good morning, everyone. So today is Monday, 14th of July. New week, new opportunities in the market. Let's have a look at Nasdaq quickly. Nasdaq still is at all-time highs. However, as I was saying, I'm looking for the foreseeable future, immediate future, for Nasdaq to retrace, and that's mainly because what we see in the commitment of trader report, where commercials are net short, and we see price has actually done this. So it has taken this liquidity at all-time high, manipulated it. Let's go back to that. Yeah, it manipulated. Then we have this high here that's been traded through, and if this gets displaced through on the 4-hour chart, then I'm looking for a price to go into this low. Right, that's the outlook for the intraday price action. Overall, I do believe that it's going to go lower. I do believe that it's going to do something like this. Maybe take another all-time high and then go down. I do believe we will see some downside here into this range. But for now, let's focus on what we see on the lower time frames. What opportunities do we have? So let's go to the 4-hour chart. That, as I was saying, this high has been taken. Price trace here. Microstructure shift. Now we have a gap here. Price opened with a gap. We have a gap, and if we look at relevant levels here, let's do something like this. And this is a nifty trick that I have learned a while back when I first started trading. So if you want to have relevant levels of liquidity, yeah, relevant levels of support and resistance, switch to the line chart and see the peaks and troughs where price has touched most often. And if you look at this, let me do this. Right. Come on. So we have this touched here, traded through, came down, traded through, came down, touched it again. So price reacts to this level quite a lot. So arguably inside this level there's the supply and demand area, inside this range. So let's go back to the candle chart. This would be my relevant level for the range, and check this out. If I'm going to draw the range from here to here, so for our range, it's pretty much in the same general area as the equilibrium of the range. Let's do this. Range, right. So ideally, I would want to see price come back into this gap, test this level, something like this, and go down. That's what I would want to see. price coming back into the gap, fail to fill the gap and go down. Because if price is coming back into the gap and closes above it, comes down, takes this low, comes back into the gap, we use this level as support, we will see this gap closed. And 1 second, where would it go? Let's go back to that line chart, right? If I go back to that line chart, I see something interesting here. Have this high that was used. Come on, man, TradingView. It's not like I'm using it for years now. Okay, so I have this high, this low, relevant level here. Let's make this another color. Let's do that as blue. So coming back to candle chart now, check this out. This would be my target, right? Relevant levels. So we have this couple of scenarios, right? First of all, price, if it comes down, yeah, it can run without us, right? It can run without us all the way down to this. If it reverses here, it reverses into this imbalance, into this order block or breaker block to the left, something like this, comes back, retests this level, and here we decide, does the level hold? It goes up to this. If this level doesn't hold, then we see lower prices. We see lower prices into this. That's the outlook for today. I won't go lower. Actually, let's have a quick look at 15. So 15-minute chart. Yeah, as you can see, it's already starting to go to this low. As I said, let's wait. That's Asia low, right? That's Asia low for us. So let's see what price does at Asia low. As I said, if you want to trade this London session, you could take a long to here maybe from the Asia low. If price just displaces through Asia low, then yeah, good luck with that. That's it for now. Trade safe. Good luck. Bye.